Beyoncé is coming to South Africa. You read that right, fam? Beyoncé may be heading to South Africa. According to City Press, speculation is rife that the global pop sensation will be coming to our shores to perform at the Global Citizen Festival, Mandela 100 in December. Global Citizen is a movement of engaged citizens who are using their collective voice to end extreme poverty by 2030. This year's festival will celebrate the centenary year of former President Nelson Mandela, honoring his legacy in the fight to end extreme poverty. Full festival details are expected to be announced at a press conference on Monday. The last time Beyoncé performed in South Africa was as part of Nelson Mandela's 46,664 concert in 2004. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.
Yeah.